First, let's start from scratch by creating a new project, and import our image into KineMaster. Click the audio button, and select an audio file from your phone's library. Click the plus button near your audio file in order to add it to the timeline. Pinch your screen inwards in order to view everything. Select your audio, click and hold the edge of it and move it to the left in order to make it short, so it will fit the image. Click and hold it in order to move and relocate your audio below the image, so they will play together. Let's play it. All done. Please subscribe.